Hi, welcome back to the Emery farm. I'm going to collect some eggs and feed the chickens and these ducks. Oh, we already have an egg out here. Put that in the basket because I shut the door because they were getting into, set this down. They were getting on his deck over there. Alright, we'll collect the eggs in here. Alright, we're gonna get the eggs. Okay, so we have 16 chicken eggs and I think 4 duck eggs. So that's pretty good for today. They're gonna need some feed. Alright, let's get them feed. Alright, so we got the eggs. Now we're gonna go get the feed. So these ducks are gonna stay out, but I'm open this up for them. Alright, that's gonna be open. Move this stuff over. Rabbit food. I'm gonna do that right now. Chicken food. We'll put 2 scoops there. That's like none. Fill that bucket halfway up. Hold on a minute. So we got the bucket filled up enough. Throw this lid back on. And we're taking this over here. Alright, so now we have to get this water and dump it out. Bring this right there. We'll get the lid. We'll just set this right back here. And we don't have a hose right here. So, alright, we'll go get a hose from up front. Alright, so these hoses came apart somehow. So, I got a screwdriver. Let's try to put these back together. So this one might be too big. don't know how this hose came off of this little thing. Alright, let's clamp it back down. Hopefully it doesn't come off this time. Get it tightened up good. Alright, let's go hook the hoses. Alright, we got the hoses here. Let me connect it. Alright, so we got the hose. I'm gonna fill this up. Alright, so that's full. Can take this out. Get the lid. Put the lid on. And now that door is shut so they can't get out. Now we have to go and put water in here. Actually, we're actually taking this water out. This was originally for the ducks. And the ducks had the pond and they were just staying in there, so got the water. Yeah, I'm gonna clean that out. Alright, I'm gonna clean the water out. That nest. I'm gonna go get the hose. Alright, got the hose. Now we're just gonna fill it up. Alright, that's full enough. Just gonna stick that right there. And they can go in there whenever they want. I think we should turn that pump on down there to pump the water up. Alright, let's go do it. Alright, so now I'm down in the creek with a shovel. We're gonna turn the pump on, pump it into the pond right there. But I have to dig this out first, so I'll see you when it's dug out. Alright, so I got this dug out more. I don't know if you can tell, but it's deeper. And now I'm just gonna go up there, turn the pump on, and we'll pump the water. Alright, I'm gonna plug this pump in. Alright, let's go down here and see the water flowing out. Here it comes. It's pumping out. So we're running just a little pump with a hose that comes out of the creek right here. And why we're doing this is because, well, we drained it so we could cut all, I mean, there's a ton of brush around it, so we could cut it down. But we just never got to that. So I'm gonna turn the pump back on. It's pumping nice. I'm gonna turn the pump back on. Oh, I already did. And we're I think in a day it should be halfway to almost being done. So yeah. So there's one catfish, one 15-pound catfish in there. There's a couple white bass, crappie, tons of minnows in there. So yeah, it has a lot of wildlife in there. So it's gonna keep on pumping for about 2 to 3 more days, and I think I'm gonna go up, have some lunch, and come back and do some more chores up in the garden. So see you after lunch. I just got done with lunch, and that was really good. But now I'm gonna go check up on the gardens up there, go see how the plants are growing. Yeah, I'm gonna go up there. So let's go. All right, so we got a lot this year. We have sunflowers right here. We have, I think these are pumpkins. We have corn. Let's see, lettuce is right there. More pumpkins. Tons of corn. Let's see, squash. I think it's all just of the same thing. Squash, corn, lettuce. We have more sunflowers right on the edge. Tons of corn. And right here on the edge, right here we have tons of beets. So basically it's from there to here, all the way down. And that's probably 15 yards from there to down to here, and probably 5 to 6 yards across from right there. So, and there's a little peak across that man-eating rose bush. And this is our water source. We have a barrel there and a barrel behind there. So yeah, we have a lot of gardens, and then we have 3 gardens down there, 1, 2, and then 3. We have a lot more gardens this year. We just started this garden this year. We tilled it up. So, yep. Next stop is we're going to look at those gardens down there. So I'll see you when we get down there. So I'm not sure what are in these 3 gardens, but I'll just show you them. There's the one. Here's the other one. And then here's the 3rd one that is covered in grass and weeds. And I mean covered in grass and weeds. So that's it for today for the chores. And I hope you liked this video, and see you next time.